Hello buddies, how are you? Welcome to Lighthouse Alchemy. So let's take a quick look back what we have learned in Module 3, and that was getting started with Lighthouse ERP. We started with how to log in into your systems. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile app, it's all about the flexibility and quick access. Then we looked at the user roles. These help ensure that the right people have the right access, keeping things secure, organized, and approval ready. After that, we explored the dashboard layout. You saw how KPIs, widgets, alerts, and shortcuts come together to give you a real-time overview of what matters most to you. We also walked through accessing different modules and understanding the menu structure, so you can easily navigate to transactions, masters, or reports. And finally, we talked about personalization, customizing your dashboard, pinning shortcuts, and setting preference as how you like to work. With all these basics in place, guys, you are now all set to use the Lighthouse ERP with more confidence and clarity. Guys, in the next module, we will begin exploring the more core ERP modules starting with finance, sales, inventory, and more. So, if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe Lighthouse Alchemy, and do drop your questions and feedback in the comment below. We would love to hear from you guys. So, see you in next module. Bye bye.